One of the tasks that should be completed daily should be things like emptying up the trash, wiping down surfaces, cleaning restrooms, taking out trash, restocking supplies. Well, that's important because some of the problems that could probably, arise if it's skipped, it could be things like, trash buildup, germs, smells, those type of things. Things that should be done a little bit more frequently should be more kind of like busier places, things like gyms, those type of facilities that need to be cleaned more often. An office could be cleaned weekly. It could also be cleaned, every other week. If it is a bar or a restaurant, some offices have floors that you can be mopping. You can mop those floors. There are some floors that you have to use vacuums and use other type of equipment to clean those floors.